The vocabulary word we are exploring now is folding. Folding. Think of a chair you can store away easily or a paper being shaped into a card. The word folding refers to the action or ability of bending something compactly. Folding is often about making things neater or more convenient. Meaning of folding. Folding means capable of being folded or the act of bending something into a smaller or neater form. Examples: we bought a folding table for the picnic. She spent the evening folding laundry. The folding bike fits easily in the car trunk. Short story. Every Saturday, Nina and her brother folded pamphlets for their family's business. It was repetitive, but the folding gave her time to think. One day, she came up with a creative flyer design while folding papers. Her idea caught on, and soon their business had a whole new look, starting with a simple fold.